Hi, I will show you how to create a looping psychedelic or kaleidoscope effect with just one click. Thank you so much for being here. It will truly mean the world to me if you hit that subscribe button. Thank you. First, we can choose whatever image we have. On the effects, search for CC Kaleida. As you can see now, the effect has shown. First, I will choose the mirroring to be starless. And the increasing and the size, we can also animate the center and rotation. You can see the different variation of the movement. And now let's animate it. And we have to make it looping. On the first frame, click on the stopwatch for size, center, and location. And then on the last frame, click on the size, center, and location diamond keyframe here. In the middle of the timeline, you can customize the effect. For the location, make sure you put 1 not 0. Try to play the video. This should be looping. Okay, it's looping and the final result seems amazing. Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. See you!